Hi, beautiful people. Cook dinner with me. So, for tonight, we ate some pasta with muns, and she was a goodie. I firstly boiled my pasta and then I threw some tomatoes in some hot water. That is gonna make the peeling process so much easier. When the pasta was done cooking, I strained it and then I chopped up two onions and some green pepper. After that, I let the onions and green pepper fry together for about 5 to 10 minutes or until your onion is nice and soft. And then I grated up a few cloves of garlic. While the onion and garlic is frying, I peeled the tomatoes, which went so quick thanks to the hot water. And then, when my onions were nice and soft, I added in the garlic and I let it like fry together for about 2 minutes because garlic burns very fast. And then I added in a quarter cup of water and let it simmer together. And then after that, I added in some ground ginger and some black pepper. I really don't measure, I just pour in until I feel like okay, that's about enough. Then I added in some ground beef, and after that I added in some spice. You could use any spice of your liking. I'm just breaking apart the ground beef to make it easier to work with, and then I let it fry or like simmer together for about also 5 to 10 minutes. And when the ground beef was ready, I poured in my tomatoes. I poured some sugar in the tomatoes, and then I poured in a cup of water and let it simmer until the soup was nice and thick. And then yeah, you could eat it that way, but I prefer this way, like where the pasta is like soaked in the sauce. Like, oh, absolutely love it this way. She was a goodie. See you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.